What's up, guys? This is Chris with Driving Motorsports with another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower, where we check the horsepower of cars at the rear wheels. All right, so what we have today is, I always say it's, a treat, extra special, but this one really is. This is an awesome car, okay? This is Mazda RX7. This is an FD. A lot of people call it FD because it's got FD3S in the chassis code. It comes with a 13B rotary engine. All right, it's got Doritos in there flopping around, doing all kinds of stuff. I don't know how it works, but it works. No, I know how it works. But anyway, totally different from a piston engine. It's already sold. Sorry, you snooze, you lose, man. Early bird gets the worm. I don't know any other analogies to go with, but I'm going with those. All right, so let's talk about what we got going on here. This is a full wide body RE Amemiya, Mamma Mia. I don't know how you pronounce it exactly. It's one of those two. Okay, we'll have to talk to our Japanese contact to verify that. But anyway, full wide body kit by RE Amemiya. It's got RE Amemiya headlights, hood, fenders. These are the D1 spec fenders. Front bumper with these extra little carbon fiber extensions on here. I mean, the thing is sweet, man. It's got some fancy mirrors on there. I think those are RE mirrors as well. I have to check the listing on that. Mazda Speed wing, which is the best wing for these. Got some LED tail lights. Let's talk about what kind of power adders we have here. It's stock twins. All right, are they rebuilt? I don't know, because it came from Japan like this. We didn't build it. It's got Greddy V-mount intercooler setup. It's got a Greddy intake elbow. It's got Greddy turbo elbow that's kind of like downpipe stuff. I'm sure it has downpipe and Kakimoto exhaust. Okay, sounds like an aircraft carrier from World War II or something. The Kakimoto. But it's good sounding exhaust. It's very loud, these exhausts, and very deep sounding. Sounds insane. It's got, let's see, what else for power? Power FC. It's got Power FC on there. All kinds of goodies. So we're gonna dyno her, see what kind of numbers she puts down. I don't know. I'm gonna say in the 240, 250 horsepower range is kind of what I imagine she'll make. So let's fire it up. All right, guys, we're back. Awesome run on the dyno, better than what I thought. I don't know if you got your guesses in, but get ready right now, because it made 275 horsepower and 257 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. Okay, that's why this is a real wheel horsepower video. All right, so really good numbers. I didn't expect it to make that much, so it might have, you know, rebuilt turbos or something, a little extra, you know, Japanese fairy dust, pow, right in there. I don't know, but it's making some power. Twin turbos. We'll talk about the dyno sheet a little bit. It's you know, it's a little bit like this, but that's stock twins. You get the one turbo kicking in quick because it's a sequential twin turbo setup. So one turbo comes on, and then a little flat door opens up. Okay, these got all kinds of vacuum lines and vacuum tanks and pressure tanks and all kinds of stuff to make it a sequential turbo. So first turbo kicks in, then it gets to a certain boost level, and then the second turbo will kick in. So you get like a little surge of power, and then it'll drop a little bit, and then it'll surge back again. So that's kind of what you feel in a stock twins RX7, and it shows on the dyno sheet. So congratulations to the new owner. I don't know his name because Dan takes care of sales now, so congratulations. That about wraps it up, man. So make sure you guys like, subscribe. You know, I hate saying that, really. It's a pain in the ass, and everybody says it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Just, you know, whatever. Check out our videos. They're cool. We'll be back with more later.